Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Kimi AI assistant and Dora AI, formerly known as CICI AI. Let's start with it's not actually Kim, it's called Kimi AI. Kimi AI excels with massive context windows, real-time search, strong coding, and low cost, making it great for complex data analysis, coding, and document processing, though with potential privacy concerns. CCAI, on the other hand, is less detailed in comparison. It focuses on emphatic, everyday interactions for general users, offering emotional awareness and versatility but lacking deep technical features or extensive API access compared to Kimi or ChatGPT. The choice depends on your need. Use Kimi for power users tackling large data or code. The free tier is available, while use CC or Dora for simpler, more human-like chat. Let's look at their strengths. When it comes to Kimi AI, it has huge context, real-time web access, strong coding, image, text, document support, very low API cost, and a free web version. And it is best for analyzing long documents like books and reports. Code generation or debugging, complex reasoning, web-connected tasks, and budget-conscious developers. But its weakness is potential privacy risks. It's less focused on emotional intelligence than CC, also known as Dora AI. Why is CC on its own, or Dora AI? Strength is that it's emphatic, emotionally aware, user-friendly for everyday tasks and creators. It is good for general conversation, but it is best for casual users, creators needing friendly interaction, learning, general assistance. While the weakness is that it lacks deep technical capabilities, limited API, it is less versatile than Kimi for complex workflows. So which one should you choose, you wonder? Well, choose Kimi if you need to process huge text, code, or want up-to-date information with a large context window without high cost. While choose Dora or CC, also known as CC, if you want a friendly, emphatic AI for daily chats, creative prompts, and easy to use. Hope you found this video helpful.